Why is my AC not cooling my home properly? If you're experiencing issues with your air conditioner not cooling your home properly, there could be several reasons behind it. Most common reasons and potential solutions to AC problems. Dirty air filter. A dirty air filter can block the airflow and reduce the efficiency of your air conditioner. It may prevent cool air from reaching your home effectively. To solve this issue, check your air filter and clean or replace it if it appears dirty. Depending on the usage and environment, it is recommended to clean or replace the filter every month or two during the cooling season. Low refrigerant levels. Low refrigerant levels can also prevent your air conditioner from cooling your home adequately. The primary function of the refrigerant in your AC is to remove the warm air from your house and expel it outside. If you suspect low refrigerant levels, it is best to contact a professional HVAC technician to inspect and recharge your system. They will locate and fix any refrigerant leaks and ensure the proper amount of refrigerant is present in your system. Faulty thermostat. A faulty or improperly calibrated thermostat can also cause cooling issues. If the thermostat is not accurately reading the temperature or sending the correct signals to the air conditioner, your home may not be adequately cooled. To troubleshoot this issue, check if the thermostat is set to the desired temperature. You can also try recalibrating or replacing the thermostat if needed. Dirty condenser or evaporator coils. Over time, the condenser and evaporator coils of your air conditioner can become dirty or blocked by debris. This can hinder the heat exchange process, preventing effective cooling. To resolve this issue, clean the condenser and evaporator coils. Ensure there are no obstructions around the outdoor condenser unit and trim any foliage at least 2 feet away from it. Consult a professional HVAC technician for a thorough cleaning of the coils if necessary. By addressing these potential issues and ensuring regular maintenance, you can improve the efficiency and cooling performance of your air conditioner. If the problem persists, it is recommended to consult a Hex HVAC professional technician to diagnose and fix any underlying issues with your unit.